Ramakrishna ji, Director, Telemetry, Tracking and Command Network, STRAC, Bangalore. His Deputy Director, the General Manager of ISRO Center at Lucknow, our Dean Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Professor A.K. Singh ji, our Dean Student Welfare, Professor Sangeeta Sahu Madam, our Dean Faculty of Law, Professor B.D. Singh, our Dean Faculty of Yoga, Professor A.K. Sonkar ji, our Director of Institute of Management Sciences, all esteemed colleagues from the industry, participants of this conference, and my very, very dear students. For many of these students, this might be my maiden interaction, and the opportunity of the interaction happens to be a conference. Now, I am sure many of you must have found out, those who are in the initial years of graduation, have you ever thought of what is the meaning of conference? What is this conference all about? Is this beyond guest lecture? Is it? Or just some expert have been called in to speak on some topic? BTech first year, how many of you are there? Lot of, quite a good number. तो कॉन्फ्रेंस आपने पहली बार सुना है शब्द? कितने लोगों ने पहली बार कॉन्फ्रेंस शब्द सुना है? आप सब सुन चुके हैं कॉन्फ्रेंस क्या होता है? You know, in academic fraternity, conferences are also considered to be an opportunity for meeting, greeting and eating. मिलिए, एक दूसरे से व्यवहार बनाइए और बढ़िया बढ़िया खाना खाइए. Academics में many people also refer these conferences as paid leaves. अपने अपने इंस्टीट्यूशन से तनख्वाह के साथ की छुट्टी मिल जाती है. So कोई कहीं से आया, कोई कहीं से आया, कोई कहीं से आया, सैलरी उसकी उस दिन बन रही है, वो काम नहीं कर रहा उस दिन. And here what the person does is meeting, greeting and eating. ये आम धारणा है. But I'll take you to another side of the conference, the meaning of the term conference. I work in the area of customer relationship management, and my exposure to the concept of CRM, उसको popularly हम CRM बोलते हैं, customer relationship management को, it happened in the year 2001 in a conference held at Delhi. I went to that conference, and there was a wonderful speaker who spoke for close to an hour on CRM, and that was my first exposure because that was the time when this concept was gradually coming up. And I got fascinated with the concept. I came back. Till then I had not even registered for my PhD, so I thought I'll do my PhD on this. And then my love and my journey and my academic endeavor in the field of CRM continued. And then I published a lot of papers, participated in a lot of CRM conferences, delivered a lot of lectures, and published some pioneering book in the field of CRM and also certain concepts. So conferences, if taken wisely and properly, certainly leads to incubation of certain ideas. वो कुछ विचार आपके मन में कुछ बीज की तरह सीड हो जाता है वहां से निकल के. 3 दिन का कार्यक्रम है, इसमें से कोई 3 चीज आपको ऐसी हो सकती है जो आपके दिमाग में बैठ जाए, और उसमें से कोई एक चीज हो सकता है वो आपके लाइफ का आगे का करियर तय कर दे. इसलिए मैं फर्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल दी स्टूडेंट्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स आल्सो टू द पार्टिसिपेंट इज दैट बी अटेंटिव एंड रिसेप्टिव टू दी proceedings of the conference. You never know what comes. Like for example, the topic is computational intelligence and cyber security. Basically, there are 4 words: computation, intelligence, cyber security. एक शब्द भी है, उसको अलग अलग भी जोड़ सकते हैं, but then primarily it's a one word. Now what is intelligence? You all know, how many of you know the meaning of the word intelligence? कितने लोग जानते? बस एक. See, there is a lady that she is shying from raising the hand properly, but she thinks she knows. So only one. Intelligence Bureau का नाम सुना है? तो what does that? एक नीचे भी जानता है. So intelligence is providing you an input, isn't it? But then that input तो कोई भी data या information हो सकता है. फिर information intelligent information है, ये कैसे ascertain होगा? Whether the information is intelligent information, you know, information and data you all know, right? I believe you would be a student of electronics or computer engineering. So data information difference you all know, right? So processed data is information, okay? But what is difference between information and intelligence? Because information is also intelligence, right? Or intelligence is information. चलो, I'll take you to an example. इसमें नहीं है, यहाँ सामने दिख रहा है. और if you go outside, मैं देख रहा था, मेरी एक बड़ी खूबसूरत सी तस्वीर लगाई है इन्होंने, organizers. Computational technology be used to find out whether the picture that is reflected on the banner, ये बंदा वैसा ही है या कुछ और है. So वो जैसा है. Can we say for example वो पिक्चर हमारी 3 साल पुरानी है. Can we project कि 3 साल बाद सेम बंदा कैसा हो सकता है? And it is very easy, you know, Facebook में, Twitter में, Instagram में बहुत सारे लोगों के बच्चे से लेके बुजुर्ग होने तक की तस्वीर का ट्रांजिशन रोटी सीधा देखते हैं हम. Now उसके पीछे there would certainly be a technology, isn't it? आप तो सेम है. अभी कैसे दिख रहे हैं, 5 साल पहले कैसे दिखते थे और 5 साल बाद कैसे दिखेंगे आप. So there would be a technology. We can compute तो समझते हैं, computer, computation, you understand, right? So you can compute based on different parameters. जैसे मैं एक एग्जांपल दूं, प्रॉब्ली आप में से टेस्ट दिया होगा, आपने जेई एडवांस का टेस्ट दिया, जेई मेंस का. उसमें आपकी बायोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिफिकेशन किया था. अगर किया था तो उसने क्या किया, 32 पैरामीटर आपके चेहरे के ले लिए और आपकी तस्वीर के ले लिए, मैप करा दिया. तस्वीर वाला पहले से था उसमें, सामने वाला ले लिया और देखा ये वही बंदा है नहीं है, वो मिसमैच बता देगा. इट हैज गॉट नथिंग टू डू विद कि आपने स्पेक्स लगाई कि नहीं, आपने दाढ़ी बढ़ा ली कि नहीं, आपने मूंछ कटा ली कि नहीं. इट हैज गॉट नथिंग टू डू विद दैट. सो दीज कंप्यूटेशंस, you pay attention to all the experts who are very, very accomplished in their own respective fields. They come here, they deliver, they would provide an input in their respective field and area. If you take it properly, हो सकता है उन 3 दिनों में कोई 3 बात और उसमें से कोई शायद एक बात आपके जीवन की आगे की दिशा तय कर दे. आप उसी दिशा में अपनी पढ़ाई, फिर अपनी रिसर्च, फिर अपना करियर प्रोग्रेस कर लें. सो ऑफ कोर्स यू मीट, यू ग्रीट एंड ईट, टेक भरपूर opportunity of the opportunity provided by your faculty for the greater good of your own self and also for your career. Inaugurals, अब मुझे थोड़ा अजीब लगा कि this is my university and I am made the guest. So I am not guest, I am the host of all the people who are coming. Some very distinguished people have come here. But these inaugurals basically are ice-breaking sessions. So Professor Ramakrishna, I believe he would be requested to make a detailed lecture on the area from his domain, so that he may get the greater benefit out of his experience, expertise and exposure. Then from tomorrow onwards, a lot of experts from respective areas would keep coming in. I would want you to participate. This is just an ice-breaking session, so that you should be aware of कि होना क्या है, खाना खाने और बैनर पोस्टर और ईमानदारी शांति से बैठने के अलावा. So this is an ice-breaking session. Different people with different orientations are being bought, and वो डब्बे में जैसे सबको हिला के सीधे सीधे सेट करते हैं, तो अभी आपको वही किया जा रहा है इनॉग्रल में. फिर कल से your mind will be tuned towards these specific technical sessions and specific technical themes based on specific domain in area of computational intelligence and of course cyber security. ये this cyber thing is like वो हम लोगों के तो नाक में बहुत चूना भर देता है बहुत बार, you know, जो चीज़ें अभी आप बैठे और आपने कोई खाने की चीज़ें आपने अभी गोलगप्पे खाए मुंह खोल के, या कोई चीज़ खाई मुंह खोला, वो एक बड़ा वाला फोटो खींचा और उसी को चला दिया हर जगह. अब is this what you do all the time? No, but then वही चीज़ चल रही है. एक बार एक मिनिस्टर साहब मंच पर बैठे थे और वो पान मसाला खा रहे होंगे, तो अपना चोरी से उनका जो असिस्टेंट था वो ले आके उसने दिया, वो इधर से हाथ उधर ऐसे फाड़े और फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड का खेल होगा, खोल के अपना खा रहे होंगे और फोटो सामने हर चीज़ की चल रही है, और वही उन्होंने मुंह खोला और खाया और पूरे हिंदुस्तान में चल रही है. So this is very, very threatening. Intrudes into your privacy. I'm not saying that is good, bad or ugly. What all I'm saying is, at times we certainly use it for proliferation of information. Like for example, we provide all the information of the industry on our website. We are available across different social media platforms. We have over 45,000 followers on the erstwhile Twitter and the modern X. We have our mobile app where we float all the information pertaining to academics, administration, cultural, sports, anything, everything, examination, everything. But at times we get threatened also. Like examination, infusing transparency in examination and making it paperless to the largest possible extent, what we do is, we bring it on a network. Now, if not paid enormous attention, it may lead to pilferages that may let a compromise take place, which is the essence of any examination. That is the essence of any examination. So this cyber security is indeed a very, very important, pertinent, and a topic that is need of the hour. I hope you all will certainly be informed amply and enormously to address the issues that will enable you to carve your path in your future endeavor. I congratulate Department of Computer Science and Engineering and Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering for hosting this 3 days international conference. I hope the deliberations will certainly bring light on the contemporary themes and topics. Okay, and I wish a very, very learning 3 days. Thank you very much.